Hi, I'm Avrami Glazer, and this is Kol Geula. Shul is quiet, the shofar is in the air. And maybe you're asking yourself, what should I feel right now? The shofar does two things at once. It wakes you up and it brings you home. Both are for you. Both are good. Chazal say it simply, Uri yesheni mishnaschem, wake up sleepers. And the Nevi'im promise, V'hoya bayom ha'u yitaka b'shofar gadol, a great shofar will blow on the day of Geula. So if you felt both nervous and hope on Rosh Hashanah, that's normal. That's honest. Rosh Hashanah isn't just Judgment Day for humanity. It's a crowning. We choose Hashem again with love. Hashem says, Imru lefanai malchios, ubema b'shofar. Hashem says, crown me with the shofar. And there's a gentle promise running under it all. Allah leikim b'Teruah Hashem b'kol shofar. Hashem rises in judgment and comes down with mercy. So how should you listen to the shofar this year? I want to give you 4 thoughts, one for each sound. Short on purpose and easy to remember. So the first one is Tekiah, the steady note. Long, straight, and grounding. Feel, under everything, I'm still His. Hashem, I crown you. And then the second note is Shevarim, 3 broken sounds. Feel, I'm cracked, I'm human. Let your light in through these cracks. No drama, no beating yourself up. Just truth with a little courage. The third sound, Teruah, the sobs. Feel, I miss being close. I want to come home. I'm reaching for you. If tears come, fine. If not, let your breath be the tear. Hashem hears both. And finally, we end up with Tekiah Gedolah, the long last note, the one that doesn't want to end. Feel, I'm part of a bigger story. Picture Geula coming, and the doors opening, and the light shining through. So this Rosh Hashanah, remember, don't let the shofar scare you. Don't let the pain pull you down. Let Kedusha pull you up and pull you in. When the Tekiah sounds, don't just ask what's wrong with me. Ask what greatness is calling me now. That one shift turns an alarm into a homecoming. So this year, walk into shul with this quick pocket map. Tekiah, I'm whole, I crown Hashem. Shevarim, I'm cracked, and I'm still held. Teruah, I'm crying, and I'm coming home. Tekiah Gedolah, I'm part of Geula. May the sound of the shofar shake loose what needs to go and lift up what needs to live. May we all have a ksiva v'chasima tova, a sweet year, and a year of Geula. Thanks for watching.